My name is Jeffrey. We live in the Sunset in San Francisco, and we hired TRIOND Remodeling to do our bathroom remodeling project. When we first met with Gilad, we just had like a pretty casual conversation, and if I remember correctly, we talked about just wanting to be involved in the design process. I had a lot of ideas, my wife has a lot of ideas. We just wanted to be involved, and the conversation that we had made us feel very comfortable, and we worked with their designer to start taking a look at some of the things that we were interested in. So on the first day of work after the design was finalized, the first order of business seemed to be protecting everything. So the team came in and they covered the floors because we have wood floors everywhere, and we wanted to make sure that any of the construction wasn't going to create more work, in other places. But yeah, I mean, they did an amazing job covering everything and plasticking up entranceways and using the plastic with the zippers for places to get in and out of. But it was very well sealed off. After the demolition, and we started getting into all of the detail work and all of the specifics, it was a really great process. We were always presented with a few options. It was always presented in terms of, okay, here's how much work this will be. If it was going to be extra money, then that was always clear and right up front. But it basically just allowed us to, when things came up, to be able to take stock of what was going on and then quickly come to a decision based upon the options that were outlined for us. I would definitely recommend TRIOND for a bathroom remodel in San Francisco. They brought to the table what we were looking for, which was we wanted to have sort of a space that felt like it could have been here from before, that we weren't trying to create something incredibly new. We wanted something to feel like San Francisco. And they nailed it. They knew exactly what we were looking for, and they helped bring our ideas into the space, and it was perfect.